Okay, everybody, it's Richard Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. So right now I'm out in the Lake Hart area, which is over around by Lake Nona. This is a community for Mattamy homes. This is Meridian Park. I'm gonna check out this home called the Camden. Nice looking home on the outside, like most of the Mattamy homes. They definitely have a unique style about them. Let's go inside and have a look at this home. Super hot day here in Florida, and the AC does feel amazing. Okay. Whew. When you come in from that heat, and if you live here in Florida, you know exactly what I mean this time of year. This time of year, it's just super hot in September. September is always the hottest month. Oh, very nice. There's no sink in the island. Good job, good job. Floors are very nice looking. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a laundry room. Looks about the standard size on the left of the garage door. Yeah, and also on the right. It looks like the spacing went to the middle to separate the two. Instead of having a single door, there's two. Air conditioning room. Nothing exciting in there. Just got a peek at this kitchen again. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. And the closet is open for me. I like that. I do like it. And you can check this view from high up, a little isometric. Sometimes it's easier to see because right now I'm backed up against the corner, so that's it. Okay, what do we have here? Here's a little entranceway. Yeah, that's definitely a long closet. Very nice granite, I like this. It kind of reminds me of like an Oreo cookie, like the ice cream cookies and cream. I know. I'm actually a little bit hungry right now, so that's probably what's helping it along.
Architects' choice options enable us to deliver the best value to you. Discover different designs, new styles and finishes, all crafted to work comfortably within your budget.
What's some big bed? So what do we have here? Interesting shelves from what I'm seeing. Has like that towel closet or hall closet shelving. Ah. Very interesting master closet. Beautiful tile floor. Let's check out the countertop. Looks like it might be quartz. Okay, so I'm actually standing in the toilet room. And I like this tile on the walls of the shower. It's pretty much the same size as the floor, it's just a different color. It's kind of darker. Here's the toilet room. I just want to give you another view, isometric, of the master.
Deliver the best value to you. Discover different designs, new styles and finishes, all crafted to work comfortably within your budget. Step into a better home buying experience.
And let's check out your real lanai.
Welcomes you to a world where promises are kept, a place where customer service is not a department, it's a proud to call home.
Okay, so I just want to give you a little view with me walking in it, just so you could kind of get an idea of the space here from another perspective. I'm going to go into the kitchen just to kind of show you what it's like. I'll put the camera up high. You got your island. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you can find all the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page if it is listed on the MLS. Very nice home, I like it. It's a single stories, and me, I'm never so excited about them, but I do like this one, how it's set up. It feels nice and spacious. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. As always, I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you in the process. You could always contact me you could always contact me by phone call, text, or email, but sometimes text and emails don't always make it, so it's always a good idea to pick up the phone and call me if you feel serious about it, or if you haven't heard back from me in about 24 hours. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.